Athena, goddess of war, until an ancient relic stole her divine power. Athena awoke on a dusty village road. She quickly got up. Her divine armor was gone. Only dirty peasant clothes remained. For the first time, Athena was powerless. A wagon suddenly rushed toward Athena. She barely stepped aside in time. The villagers walked past without recognizing her. Desperate for answers, she stopped an elderly woman.
Tell me, where is Mount Olympus? Olympus, that's just an old legend. I am Athena. So am I. How can they not know me? I need something to eat.
3 coins.
I have no money.
Then I have no bread.
You don't even know me.
I know you're hungry.
Why would you share your food?
When you've known hardship, you stop asking who deserves kindness. Hand over all you have and no one gets hurt. You can't stop them!
I have to try.
She kept fighting, even it seems there was no hope.
Stay down! Please run! Save yourself!
A protector doesn't abandon those who need her.
Then this is your end.
And suddenly she got her power back.